It is day 967,554 of quarantine. That's how I'm feeling. GlenWes! Hey guys, it's Alicia, aka GlenWes, and today I'm going to be following a Bob Ross tutorial, but not just any tutorial. Oh no. I asked you guys on Instagram. Well, first of all, if you're not following me on Instagram, if you're not following GlenWes on Instagram, if you have not already liked and subscribed to this channel. Oh, hell no! So I asked you guys on Instagram to pick a number between 1 and 31 and then pick a number between 1 and 13. But little did y'all know that you would be picking the painting I recreate in this video. So I got the most votes for 23 and 4, which is season 23, episode 4 of The Joy of Painting, and that is called Reflections of Gold. So that's the one I'm going to be recreating today.
Certainly glad you could join us today.
Thank you.
I thought today maybe we'd just do a fantastic little winter scene.
Me too.
So let's start out and have them run all the colors across the screen that you need to paint along with us. While they're doing that, let me show you what I got going up here today. I have my standard old 18 by 24 inch canvas. But
okay, first of all, I don't have that canvas. I don't have that ovally stencil he has around his. I've already lost, and these colors, bruh, it's quarantine. We don't have these colors right now. They're out of stock.
And today I've put a piece of contact paper on here and we just cut a little oval out of it. And I thought we'd just do a little winter scene. And this was left with white, but it's all wet and ready to go. So let's just, sometimes when you're doing winter scenes, they can get so cold they're almost distasteful. I mean, you have to put them in a coat.
Okay, hold on. I didn't even get the colors.
Today we do one that's very warm.
Okay. Let me get that yellow. I think I have that yellow. Okay, I in fact do not have that yellow. It's like a orangey, yellow. Okay, that's way too yellow. That's not the Canadian. Oh, that's pretty. It smells awful.
Let's go right up in here. Maybe we'll have a little bright spot in our world. There
it is.
It's
yellow.
Right wherever you want it. While I have that color on the brush, maybe we'll have a little water. Let's just pull that straight down right there. Or straight up, whichever. It doesn't matter.
Yeah. Damn, how does his wrist do that? My wrist does not do that. Oh my god, this is orange. He looks like he had it in the center like this. This is looking much more orange than his. Okay, well. And then he said the water. Alright, that's not too bad.
I'll make a nice orangey color here.
Oh, now he wants orange. Okay, well I got it on deck.
And with that, we'll just lay in a little of that. Right around that first color of yellow that we laid in.
Mine's looking a lot more pigmented. Damn, you see his wrist? Just
two eyes
bam.
You would have little orphan Annie.
Little orphan Annie. That's right.
Right.
Chokes. Oh, he got chokes. So he just did like so. The fuck? You just do like that. Listen, my wrist doesn't move like that. I don't know. Ooh. Oh, look at that.
The red there. And we'll just put that right in.
Okay, now I need the red. And he's just mixing that with the orange and going around the outside of that. But I don't have the oval tape, so... Ooh. That's nice. This cheap-ass brush is leaving bristles on my artwork. Goddamn. He had nicer strokes than this one. Now it's a candle. Okay, that's better. So I went back into that orange, the cab yellow, and just dragging it out. So the edge is just like a little perimeter of darker red. That's not bad. You done did good.
Here, this is going to be water eventually. So we're just putting some color here. Just take a little touch of the Prussian blue.
Hold on, where did you get that?
Little Prussian blue.
Prussian blue. I don't have Prussian blue. I just have brilliant blue. It'll have to do.
I'm going to add just a little bit of that. Now we don't want that to get into that yellowish color because, as you know probably, it will turn green on us. And we're not looking for green in that.
We're not looking for green.
All right, let's wash an old brush. That's the most fun part of the whole technique, is just washing the brushes. Shake off the excess.
Of course I would do that. Should I wipe that off? Let me just wipe it off. Let me just see if this will work. Oh no. Oh wow. So don't do that, but I will continue on this path. I think I'm using too much paint because like his looks like they're already dried already.
In the light area and work outward.
Oh, blend.
Always working outward. So then take the dark color back into the... Let's just go in here and dance in a little bit of this white color.
Oh, we don't dance.
Just sort of dance in. I'm going to let it swirl and have fun.
I do have white. That's a lot.
Doesn't matter. It depends on the mood that you're trying to convey in your painting.
Oh, we moody. Okay, I was feeling nervous at first, but I think it's coming together. Oh wow, that's looking awful. I don't know if he said to do that, but like he says, sometimes you just gotta make decisions, and that's Dallas.
Grab some of the bright red. I want to make a nice pink.
Pink?
Nice pink color.
Okay, well, I'm running out of space, sir. Looks right.
With that loaded on the 1-inch brush, let's go up in here. We need something to bring these two colors together because once again, we can't mix them or we'll end up with green. So
True.
This pink, be a little cloud that lives right here. Oh. It'll be our barrier.
Oh.
It's our protector. It keeps our color nice and pure and clean in between these two. And we'll just sort of let it blend down. And you can have happy little clouds that just float all around.
Oh, happy little clouds. Oh, that's blending out terribly. Shit, I'm just mixing that blue everywhere. Okay, well, let me stop. Let me stop.
Very gently, we'll blend the base of the cloud with just the top corner of the brush.
Oh, that's smooth. Oh my god, this one just shed all over. See that? Oh my god, it's like my hair. That's no problem. Little hair never hurt nobody.
But isn't that a very nice little sky? And it's so easy to do. So
very
easy to do.
I'm making it into an oval, and I don't have the oval form. So let me just extend that orange, because that's what his is doing. Okay, it's blending a little bit.
This round brush, I have the big round brush. All you have to do is just tap. Just tap.
Tappa. Shout out Chef John. Okay, so he's stabbing like that. I can do that. Do I have that brush? No, I don't. I do have this old toothbrush. Maybe that will work.
Automatically, it's going to get lighter.
Oh, that's not going to work. Oh, he just covered up the cloud.
The little sneaky things that live way down there.
He took that down here. So he said put the darker color on the bottom and then drag up. And he went across. And it looks like it got thicker here. So I'm going to cover up the other cloud I painted. Cool. Stabby stab. I just want to see it come together at this point. All these blobs and lines and clouds and shit, it doesn't make sense yet until the end. Whatever this is, this must be a tree, right? Okay, if that's a tree, I haven't watched a video yet, so I don't know exactly what I'm painting, but if that's a tree, it looks pretty good so far. I'm just adding more because more is more. These fumes though, oof.
A few little trunks and sticks and twigs and all these little things that make up the tree. Little skeleton of the tree.
It is a tree. He was right. Okay, well those trees look bad.
And it's nice to do scenes that reflect the way you feel.
Oh yeah, this is moody.
Those layers will create the depth in your trees and bushes. Let's take this plain titanium white.
He's going to do something magical in here.
Have to make a major decision. Where does your snow live in this world?
Oh, I think so too. Mine will live there too.
You can blend this till it looks like silk. Sometimes you want snow that looks quite rough. Sometimes you want snow that looks like, oh, it's just smooth as it can be, smooth as silk. But so you put a layer of snow in, then put a bush. And this is the way you create the illusion of distance. Now look at the layers. That's what makes all that work. Now you can put maybe there's even a little one over here. Who knows? We don't want that side left out.
Yeah. Damn, this man is good. He's just good.
Because we said it does. And this is our world and we can do anything here. Now,
that's
our liner brush. just to give him a little center. Let's see, let's use laying in the indication of all kinds of little highlights there. Just vary your colors back and forth. Whatever you think.
I think they've done enough damage there.
Brush.
I think I really fucked up this tree. I think I'm gonna try to put some depth back into it. Oh wow, that's ugly. Okay, well.
See, each one of these will make a different plane in your painting, a different layer. And it really helps create that illusion of depth and distance. I know I say that over and over. So you can give it a little push. That's so important. Just we'll go back up make your nails look like you're hanging over. There we go. Depends on the effect you're trying to get. Sometimes I hit straight. Sometimes I give it a little, If you don't make that noise, it won't work. There we go. But think about some basic shapes and patterns in here. Don't just throw them at random. Don't just throw them at random.
Oh, that pop of white really made a difference. You know, from far away, it doesn't look too bad. Maybe I'm standing too close. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. This will be a tree. I have decided. This little orange blob is now a tree.
Just pull it down, add a little bit more to say.
Pull it down.
Add a little more reflection. It makes just a wonderful and beautiful effect.
Ooh.
And people
will go popsicle stick. Nope.
But this helps form all these little shapes.
Oh, they're making grass. Oh, I have a fan brush, girl. Of course, we gotta sign our name in red. Let's just do my initials. Just AJ. Damn. Y'all, I did that. So now I need to compare Bob Ross to mine. What do you guys think? So a 20-minute video turned into an hour of me just standing here and painting. My back hurts. My back. Old lady status. It's actually quarantine status because I sit down all damn day. But I'm really happy with this. I think it looks so good. And I'm really proud of it. Put my name on it. That's when you know it's real. I think you guys should try it. I think it was so much fun. Anyways, I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.